All right, JJ, we're on our way to Texas Mattress Makers to see how a couple of people are now finally getting a better night's sleep. Hey, JJ, pay attention. Did you just pass up Texas Mattress Makers? Oh, a new location in Katy? All right, well, that's pretty cool. Wow, now more people can get a better night's sleep. And when you come to the Katy location, you'll see some familiar faces. For example, we have Lax. Hi there.
Hey Deborah, good morning. How are you?
Good.
So, welcome to our Katy location. As you can see, absolutely everything is the same like navigation. So, anybody living in this area, don't travel down out that way. Come over to Katy. And Lax is right here.
All right, your name is Lax. I think we should add Re to your name, like in the front of it, so you can be called Relax, because you help people relax. And speaking of, we're going to go over here and catch up with Yuval and another customer who says that you all actually saved her marriage.
Great.
All right, Kathy, that's a pretty bold statement to say that your mattress literally saved your marriage. What was happening on your mattress that you can tell us on TV?
Well, literally earthquakes every night, and not the good kind. I mean, my husband would roll over in bed and he would knock me and I would feel it. Like the mattress would just move and wiggle and I would literally wake up. The dog would jump on the bed. That would wake me up because the whole bed would do this. I'd get up to go to the bathroom in the night. I'd come back and I'd wake him up because it would, it was constantly, our mattress was just doing this all night long. Yeah. It was horrible. We couldn't get any rest. It was terrible.
All right, and you hear this story all the time, Yuval.
All the time.
Yeah.
I mean, her mattress was doing all those wavy things that she's speaking of because of the construction of the type of coil that she had. On top of that, they didn't have any support on top of the coil, which made every movement of anyone on that bed felt by the partner. And there's no way you're going to sleep at night.
Yeah.
None
And
whatsoever.
speaking of the partner, here's a cool thing that you all do. If a couple comes in, you will literally fit both people on that bed, so they're getting the best night's sleep for them. So the mattress, it looks like one solid mattress, but it really is designed or customized for each person. And so your husband actually made a statement when he came in. He's like, "Oh my gosh."
He's like, I can't believe this. Like, because I can't believe I slept like this the way I did. And he goes, I never thought looking for a bed would be so interesting. And he learned so much about it. We both did. And it was just a great experience. And we both feel so much better. I used to get headaches, migraines. I woke up with a stiff neck. And I literally don't anymore. I sleep so well now. It's amazing.
Yeah. All right. So Yuval, tell people why this is a different experience in terms of buying a mattress.
Well, because of what Catherine said, right? We understand that people that when they lay on a bad mattress, it has a cause and effect to their physical being, headaches, backaches, and so on and so forth.
You ask people.
We absolutely. We have to ask people because I understand a mattress is not a mattress per se. It's a sleeping surface, and it has to be a comfort sleeping surface. If she sleeps well, she's going to be happier. She's going to do whatever she needs to do on a much better tone. So we approach selling a mattress in a very professional manner. The best way I can...
Scientific manner.
Right. Let's use an analogy. You go to a doctor, you expect the doctor to know what he does. Okay? You don't argue with him. You tell him what the issue is, and then he treats it. Well, we do exactly the same way, only in a mattress. Why do you not sleep well? What is the problem? And then we start fitting you in different mattresses. If her and her husband fit in the same mattress, perfect. If they don't, then we're going to fit her in her side, he in his side, and it's not going to cost them a penny more to do that.
Yeah. I had somebody ask me, well, is there like a complete difference between one side or the other? You don't really feel that difference, initially, right?
No. So if you have a king size, you have 76 inches from side to side, okay? 38 inches is hers, 38 inches is his. Unless they sleep dead center of the bed, you will never know the difference. Never will you ever know the difference between one side to the other. You won't see it because there won't be a seam.
Yeah.
It will look just like a regular mattress, only we'll have her side and his side. Firm or softer or much, much softer and soft. Whatever to accommodate.
So it's customized to each person. You said it won't cost you a penny more. We're in the Katy location, which is just your showroom, but the reason why it doesn't cost a penny more is because you're actually making the mattresses.
Everything you see in the Katy showroom or in the Houston showroom, all is manufactured at the factory on Navigation Boulevard. So what you buy from us. We directly deliver it to your home. End of story. There aren't 3 or 4 different steps before it gets to you.
Yeah, you eliminate the middleman, really.
The middle men.
Men and
Plural.
women. The
And
middle
women.
people.
That's
Let's call
right.
them the middle people.
The middle people.
All right.
We
And
do.
because of a great mattress, this marriage has been saved.
Oh, absolutely. I wake up happy. I'm not crabby anymore. My husband's happy. We're well rested. I'm not crabby at work anymore.
Oh, well, no, wait a minute. But it's not because of the mattress.
Wait a minute.
All
What?
right. Thank you very much, Yuval. Thank you, Kathy.
Thank you.
Texas Mattress Makers has a special offer for Great Day viewers right now. Get a pocketed coil queen mattress set for $449. That's marked down from $799. Visit their new showroom in Katy at 5026 East 3rd Street. 5026 East 3rd Street. That location's number is 832-437-5646. Or visit them at their factory location downtown at 4619 Navigation Boulevard.